not suspicious. Dude, what the fuck is wrong with me? Why am I buying a fucking bandana? I guess, no, actually, no, it's good because it's a mask. It's good. Hold on. Dude, should we keep walking? I feel like I should start walking back up. It's probably gonna start getting dark soon. Dude, that was the longest walk of my life. I feel like by the time we get back to my car, it's gonna be dark. Oh my God. Holy shit. This is some of the best coconut water I've ever had. And no, it's not just because I'm thirsty. Dude, this coconut water is fucking good. Like, this tastes like Harmless Harvest coconut water, which is like twice as much as this. Holy shit. This is crazy. Hold on. I want to see if it's from Thailand, because I think that's where the Harmless Harvest one is from. Dude, 7-Eleven coconut water coming through. Holy shit. It's chillin', shake well. I didn't shake it. Product of Thailand, so it's from the same place that the expensive one's from too. Yeah. Dude, no, it's good shit. Like, and also, you know, coconut water is good when it's like this pink color. That means it's like really fresh. Dude, it's good. It is good. I think it's better when you don't shake it though. Okay, I'm gonna take out my Merca, my K-Kona. Hold on. I don't want to sit in shit. I look like I'm taking a squat in the fucking grass. Oh God. Okay, there you go. Ooh, $2.99.